wishes and regrets with I wish and if only. To express wishes and regrets in English, you can use the wish plus preterite or if only plus preterite formulas. Number 1. Wish. Wish is used to express wish or regret in the present or past. Wish is followed by a preposition with a subject and a verb. The verb wish is used to express wish or regret in the present or past tense. Wish is followed by a proposal with a subject and a verb. I wish I knew the truth. To express regret in the present. Wish plus preterite modal expresses a regret about the present. The desired thing has no chance of being realized. It may concern the speaker or another person. I wish I was rich. I wish you didn't get so upset about her. If we use the verb be, we can use was or where being of a more sustained register. I wish I was rich. I wish I were rich. I wish he wasn't so bossy. To express regret in the past. Finally, we can also express regret about an event in the past. In this case, we use wish plus past perfect. I wish we had never come here. I wish he had told me the truth. I wish you hadn't done that. To express a request or irritation. To express a request indirectly, to express a feeling of irritation, or to talk about an event that has a chance of being realized. We use wish plus would. I wish you would talk to me more often. I wish somebody would answer the phone. To express a forecast or a wish. Wish followed by the verb plus to is similar to the verb to want or would like, with an idea of forecasting in the future. They wish to have 5 children. We wish to stay for 4 nights. You can also use wish with a name to wish for an event. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a pleasant journey. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish to can have the meaning of I want to, but it's very formal and not used very often. I wish to make a complaint. I wish to see the manager. Number 2, if only. If only plus preterite allows you to express wishes in relation to an unreal situation. If only I had a car. If only you came to see me more often. If only I could speak Spanish. If only you had told me before. With the verb be, we sometimes use the form where to all persons, mainly in writing. If only I were / was richer. If only I wasn't so tall. To express regrets about a past situation, it's necessary to use the perfect past instead of the present. If only they had come. Little tip. One can also express regret or reproach with should have plus past participle. We should have taken the bus.